approach any landscape design as a piece of art for people to experience. So before we even consider any plant selections, we first think about what type of outdoor space we try to create. My name is Han Zhang. I'm the landscape architect from O2 Design. We are currently working on the Pritzker Archives and the Memorial Park Center. Because it's a military museum, we want the plant reflect the theme of the project. We have this rampart path graded on purpose so that when people walk around the path, you are walking through a trench, gradually get immersed into the battlefield, get enclosed, and then suddenly you reveal to an open stormwater pond. I think the whole project can really attest to the sustainability aspect of landscape design. We worked with a lot of native prairie restoration biologists and botanists, and they help us to pick the plant mix. So those sites will be planted with native wetland species. They create a native habitat for the birds and aquatic lives. We are also using the water from the pond to irrigate the site in the hot summertime. It's healthier for the plants to use water from a natural open water environment. It's not only a beautiful site to look at, but it also has the benefit of trying to establish a micro ecosystem suitable for this region and for this climate.